Greetings and welcome to this training video about how to use Gohighlevel form in WordPress. Alright, I am going to show you how you can add Gohighlevel form inside your WordPress website. So you might be thinking that what is the benefit of adding a Gohighlevel form inside a WordPress website? So suppose you have a very good website, and your website is more than 5 years or 10 years old. You are getting loads of traffic to that website. You are getting loads of leads. You are getting loads of sales from that website. And the SEO of that website is also very good. It is ranking higher on the Google search result. So you don't want to drop that website. And it's obvious that you want to keep that website for as long as you can. Because it is generating leads and sales for you. But those leads are leaking from the crack because you are not able to do a follow-up with those leads. You might be using some kind of email marketing software, but you are unable to convert those leads. But with the help of Gohighlevel, you can follow up with those leads, you can nurture those leads and you can close those leads. And you can even book appointments with those leads. You can also send email campaigns. You can send text campaigns to those leads with the help of Gohighlevel. So that is the benefit of using Gohighlevel with the WordPress website. So you will get the benefit of WordPress website as the benefit of the power of Gohighlevel. You will get both the benefits. But before diving into the video, if you don't have the Gohighlevel software, then go to the link in the description and sign up for free from that link. And after that come to this video to watch full video. So without further ado, let's start this video. So first of all, you need to log in into your Gohighlevel dashboard. Come to the marketing section and click on the form builder. And here you need to build a new form. For that you need to create new form. Here there are lots of options. First of all you need to drag and drop full name. You can add phone number. You can add email. Address. You can add a captcha and you can add a button. So here we are adding a captcha, because we don't want robot to fill our phone. We want real humans to fill our phone. So as you can see here, there's an asterisk sign behind email address and phone number, which means this is very compulsory in order to submit this form. But you are seeing that there is no asterisk sign behind phone full name. So you can add asterisk sign also here. Just double click on it. And here you can see there is a required button. When you click on it, asterisk sign will appear here and this full name is also compulsory. So now let's customize this button. You can customize this button by changing the color. Let's change the color of this button as green. And let's make this button as full width. And let's increase the corner radius so that button looks good. Now go to the option and name this form as WordPress form. And you can also change the name of the button as submit here. Okay, now it looks good. So now you have to select a button action. What will happen when somebody will fill this form and they will click on the submit button? So there are two options. First is open URL and second is you can send them a message because they have filled the form, phone number here. So for this example, we are going to open a new URL when somebody will click on this button. So here you have to give your website name. But for this example, I am giving google.com. Here you have to give your website name so that your customer will be redirected to your website. So now you need to click on Save Form. So as you can see form is being saved. Now log in into your WordPress website with your username and password and now go to the page option and click on Add New Page. And after that a new window will open and here you have to give the name of the page. So we are giving the name of the page as test 2, and in the page content you have to write something like let's write hey there. How are you doing today? I hope you are doing well. After writing this, you need to publish this page. Just click on the publish button and this page will be published. And as you can see this page is live now. So after that you need to click on the edit with Elementor button because we gonna edit this website. So Elementor is a very good website designing and page designing software. It is also free and you can do a lot of things with it. As you can see this page is open. And now here you have to add a new section. For that, just click on this red button and add a section which you want. After that, click on this plus icon once again. And now you need to drag down. And you have to search for an element called HTML code. So this is it. Just drag and drop here. As you can see, new HTML code editor is open. Now go back to your high-level software and just click on Integrate Form. When you click on Integrate Form, a new code will open. You just need to copy this code and come to WordPress again and paste it here. As you can see, the form is displayed on this page. You just need to update this page in order to make this live. So the page is being updated. So we need to test this out. So let's exit to the dashboard, and you need to open this page. So, as you can see, this page is working and the form is live. See, this is the WordPress website and this is the form of Gohighlevel. So, now when people or your customer will come to this page, they will fill the form here. They will fill the form. They will fill the phone number. They will fill the email address, and they will fill the captcha form if they are really human. So as you can see, robot cannot fill this captcha form. Only human can do. So, as I am a human, I need to fill this traffic lights. Let's click this, click this, click this, click this, click this. Let's click on verify. So, as you can see, I am not a robot, and I am currently verified. Now I'm gonna click on this submit here button, and let's see what's happened. So, as you can see, the form is working now and it has redirected me to the google.com. You have to put your own website name here in order to redirect to your website. So the form is working and we have generated a lead from our WordPress website, and it has gone into our Gohighlevel. Now here you can create campaigns, you can send email marketing campaigns, you can send test marketing campaigns, and you can nurture your leads. And now no leads will leak from the crack. And you can book appointments with them, and you can afterwards close them. So that is the benefit of having Gohighlevel and integrating Gohighlevel form inside your WordPress. So that's all for today. I hope you liked this video. Thanks for listening to this video about how to use Gohighlevel form in WordPress. For more videos like this, or to make a request for additional training videos, please go to the main menu and add a comment ticket.